Hello, my name is Onyx and I have built this and I have built this. Both of these were built in completely vanilla Skyblock Minecraft. So, here's 5 reasons why Skyblock is way better than you may think. But first of all, join my Discord in the description because I have a lot of community events planned and I definitely need some more people to get this all going. So, let's get into it. Reason number 1, diamonds. I'm getting so many questions every day. How do you get diamonds in vanilla Skyblock? It's pretty easy. You take a splash potion of weakness, put it on our friend Herbert here, and then you feed him a golden apple, and he will be cured of his illness. After he's cured, you can give him a job, and depending on which job you give him, he will give you a lot of juicy stuff. Now, diamonds are gotten from armorers, toolsmiths, and weaponsmiths. Armorers will give you a whole set of diamond armor, toolsmiths will give you all the tools, and weaponsmiths will give you a sword and an axe. So that's a huge game changer in 1.15 that they added, and it makes the whole experience different, which is nice. Number two. Number two are still our friends Herbert and Joe. We also, from the villagers, we don't only get diamonds, we also get iron. This guy here, our friend, he is giving us unlimited iron because we don't really have lava to kill him, so we use campfires. And campfires will kill them slowly but surely, and we will collect the iron they drop. Blazes are used to get the necessary items to cure this guy. And yeah, we will get unlimited iron from this guy, and there's even way more stuff to get. First of all, of course, the diamonds, we already talked about those, but here is the cleric. The cleric is awesome because he gives us redstone dust, which is insane, is a huge game changer. Redstone dust gives us all the automation, pistons, observers, everything. It's insane. Blue color, lapis lazuli, is just blue color because we cannot really enchant. We can just buy enchanted stuff. Glowstone is for lighting, and the pearls are for going around. Masons give us a lot of different blocks. Librarians give us all the enchanting, glass, lanterns, and bookshelves, which are useless, but we can make a lot of emeralds with them. Also bells, because they look good. Golden carrots for food, to get the best food in the game. And cookies, because they're fun. Reason number 3, unlimited dirt. Dirt was never available until 1.16. Our friend Hans here will give us a lot of gold. We will kill a lot of piglins, zombified piglins, to get gold, and then we use the normal piglins and give them gold to get a lot of different items. But one of those items is gravel. And if you have 2 gravel and 2 dirt, you can make 4 coarse dirt. Those 4 coarse dirt, where you can just place down and use a hoe on them, and bam, you got 4 dirt. That's extremely handy because that was never possible until 1.16. Now he transformed into a zombie piglin because, yeah, that's just in the overworld. In the nether he will stay a piglin. Number 4 again has to do with our friend, the normal piglin. Not this guy, but the guy he was just like 15 seconds ago. They will give us, through bartering, a lot of stuff. I have ranked them from S to trash tier. Trash is fat leather and fire charge, iron boots, soul sand. That's just trash stuff. You can make soul lanterns, which is good, but at some point you will run out of that. So string, water bottle, and splash potions. Water bottle is good to make potions at the beginning, but it soon will be redundant. Soul speed is good for highways in the nether. Nether quartz and iron nuggets. Iron nuggets is good source for iron in the beginning because before you have an iron farm. Spectral arrows is insanely good because you don't really get arrows in vanilla Skyblock, so that's good, and you also see the enemies. If you shoot them, they get an outline. Nether bricks are good if you like nether stuff to build. Ender pearls are S tier because you can get around with them. Blackstone has insane variation, which is awesome. Gravel gets you unlimited dirt. Obsidian is nice to get more portals, bigger portals, and just as a building block. And crying obsidian because of their awesome new texture and dripping animation. So this is insane because this is a complete game changer and will change Skyblock forever. Reason number 4.5. You just wasted 100 hours of your life building an awesome map in Skyblock that is pretty much the hardest way to play Minecraft. So if you can do that, you can definitely ask out your crush. And if it doesn't work, just get a new crush. Reason number 5. Skyblock as a whole. Minecraft is about building. Minecraft is about imagination. Minecraft is about having no limits. And the same applies to Skyblock. Right now, with the addition of 1.15 and 1.16, there is so much to do with Skyblock. You have all these things, all these blocks, just from their one island, but that's just the beginning. These guys, the animals, will spawn on grass, and they will give you access to all the different wool. You can get every single color because you get blue dye from the villagers and black dye from squids. If you make a squid farm, you can get all the different glass. You can get dirt. The first time in Minecraft history, you can get unlimited dirt. You can get gold, you can get iron, you can get redstone, and you can get bone blocks. If you want, they are a pretty good thing to build with. Next thing, there is way more. Like you can get terracotta. I didn't do the work to get every single type of terracotta. You can get pretty much all the different colors of terracotta. You can get all the different variation of quartz in a pretty big quantity. You can get blackstone, which has an insanely big variation. You can get the dripping crying obsidian. You can get normal obsidian and all the fortress blocks. Skyblock was never as exciting as in this app and this in 1.16 because never was it possible to get so much stuff and so much different things. Right now, and right now Skyblock see ya. And right now Skyblock has amazing opportunities and I'm pretty sure that it will just grow even more in the upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching and leave a like, subscribe, and definitely join my Discord if you want to be part of one of those big builds that I'm showing you in my other videos.